Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Warangal location. It is from Telangana. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are so many job openings available from S Bank. It is hiring for the position of branch service partner. So it is located in Warangal location, Telangana. So for this, the level of qualification will be CIMA, newly qualified, and so these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So for detailed information about this job position, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for collection associate position from HDB Financial Services Limited. So it is located in Warangal, Telangana. So they are going to offer a salary range between 2 lakhs to 2,50,000 rupees per annum. And coming to responsibilities and duties, you should be responsible for collection efficiency and timely manner, and responsible for effective cost management, understanding and managing health portfolio, and good communication skills and educational background, high level of self-drive or enthusiasm. So we should be having 2 to 5 years of experience to apply for this position, and qualification will be bachelor's degree. Interested candidates for this job notification, you can check in the website link provided here for more detailed information. There is a job opening for collection associate cross-sell. It is from HDB Financial Services Limited. It is located in Warangal, Telangana. And you can check with the job description mentioned here. And for more detailed information about this job position, you can check in the website link mentioned here. Next, there is a job opening for field sales RM position. It is from Car Deco, located in Warangal, Telangana. So for this job position, you should be having 0 to 1 years of experience, and qualification will be any graduation. So you can also check with the job responsibilities mentioned here, and for more detailed information about this job position, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for executive position for gold loans. It is from HDB Financial Services Limited. So they are going to offer a salary range between 1,80,000 to 2,40,000 rupees per annum. Coming to roles and responsibilities, graduate with minimum 1 to 6 years of experience is required, and experience in collection and action will be preferred. So minimum 2 years of experience in the gold valuation at gold loan NBFCs are required to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can apply to this job opening by checking in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for health insurance advisor position from Varun Associates. It is located in Warangal, and interested candidates, you can check with the job description and as well as with the candidate profile mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details about this job position. The number is 9032000703. Next, National Institute of Technology Warangal, NIT. So it is hiring for the position of Junior Research Fellow. They are going to offer a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month, and only one vacancy is available for this position. Education qualification will be BTech or BE, ME or MTech. So 1 to 3 years of experience is required to apply for this position. Interested candidates, you can apply to this position on and before 15th March 2021. And for more detailed information about this job opening, and you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for Junior Research Fellow or Project Fellow position from NIT Warangal. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 35,000 rupees per month, and only one vacancy is available for this post. Fresher candidates are eligible to apply. Education qualification will be BSc, MSc, MPhil or PhD. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. Interested candidates, you can apply on and before 5th March 2021, and you can check with the application process and selection procedure, and for more detailed information in the provided website link. Next, there are job vacancies available from Nitya Institute. It is a BTech and Diploma Educational Institute. So this institute is hiring for the teaching faculty for triple E subjects. So it is located in Warangal and Karimnagar locations. So they are going to offer a salary range between 7,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. So the faculty who teach triple subjects to students, so this is the job description. You can check with this, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job positions. So the number is 9966688755. Next, there is a job opening for radiologist position from Azara Healthcare and Research Center Private Limited. It is located in Warangal. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 1,20,000 rupees per month. And you can check with the job description mentioned here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job vacancy. The number is 9391009732. Next, there are some vacancies available from Saptapadi Matrimony and Event.org. It is hiring for the positions of skilled and experienced BDM, CRO, and telecaller positions. So, for these positions, married persons only are eligible. So, it is located in Hanmakonda location. So, qualification will be degree and PG. So, these are the qualification details. 5 to 30 years of experience is required to apply for this position, and they are going to offer a salary range between 10k to 20k for the positions mentioned above. And interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for details. The number is 8367676156. Next, there are some job openings available for faculty or teachers positions. For these positions, you need to teach nursery to 10th class students for all subjects, CGS Academy, and it will be tuition classes. And the address is provided here. You can check with this, and it is located in Hanmakonda location. And interested candidates for these job vacancies, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 8341649764. Next, there are some job vacancies available from SVS group of institutions. It is approved by AICTE and New Delhi and affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad. So, this is hiring for the positions of professors, associate professors, and assistant professors for engineering branches, MBA, B Pharmacy, and M Pharmacy. And they are also hiring for the lecturer positions for diploma stream with BTech qualification in the above engineering branches. So for all these posts they are hiring. So shortlisted candidates will also have to be selected through JNTUH selection committee. So interested candidates, you can apply to these positions on before 5th March 2021, and you can mail your resume to the provided email ID, that is info@svsit.ac.in. This is the mail ID they have provided here, and or else personally you have to submit your application between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. up to 5th March 2021. Coming to qualification and pay, as per these are as per the AICTE norms, and you can also check with the all detailed information provided here. Next, there are some job openings available from VS Academy. So, this academy is hiring for the positions of faculty. Qualification will be BCom or MCom, BSc or MSc, BTech and MTech. So, these are the education qualification details required to apply for these positions. So, interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9121606126. It is located in Hanmakonda location. Next, there are some job openings available for wardens for a reputed English medium high school. It is located in Hanmakonda. So, they are hiring for warden positions. It is for male candidates. Qualification will be any graduate, and they are going to offer a salary for these positions is 8,000 rupees per month and above also. Interested candidates, you can contact immediately through the given mobile numbers. First one 9440860224, second one 9247348261. There are some job openings available from Lal Bahadur College Postgraduate Center. So it has released some job notification. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the posts of assistant professors and librarian in the following departments such as MBA, MCOM and library. So for all the positions, qualification will be first division in the subject concerned. So experience also required to apply for these positions. Interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided address details, that is Principal PG Center, Lal Bahadur College, Warangal on and before 10th March 2021. So this is the address provided here. You can check with this. Next, SS Traders are hiring for the position of a salesman. So it is located in Jangon town. So a qualification will be 10th pass or fail, either is okay for this position. Age limit will be 20 to 40 years. So interested candidates, you can send your resume or else you can contact them with the given WhatsApp numbers. This first one 9346221651, second one 949218782. Next, there are some job openings available for teachers from CGS Academy tuition classes, and you need to teach for nursery to 10th class students for all subjects. And this is the venue, this is the address location. You can go through it once. It is located in Hanmakonda location, and they have provided here the two contact numbers. First one 8341649764, second one 6369685025. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given two phone numbers provided here. Next, there is a job opening for Hindi teacher from Montessori High School, and you need to teach for 6th to 8th class students, and you should be having experience to apply for this position, and they are going to offer a attractive salary for the positions provided here. It is located in Warangal location, and they have provided here the contact number to approach them. The number is 94407 Next, there are some job openings available for marketing or sales executive positions. It is from Topgrow Fertilizers India Private Limited, and they are looking for the positions of marketing and sales executives, and you should be having experience in pesticides and fertilizers to apply for these positions. Interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, or else you can approach them with the given two phone numbers provided here. First one 9100467405, second one 7893906399. Next, there are three job openings available from Sunrise Electricals and Energy Solutions. So this company is hiring for the positions of accountant and telecallers and electrician positions. So for accountant, one vacancy is available. It is for both males and female candidates. And for telecallers position, two vacancies are available. It is for female candidates. And last, third one, for electrician, two vacancies are available. So it is located in Fatima Nagar, Kazipeta. Interested candidates for these job openings, you can approach them with the given two phone numbers. First one 7659 second number 9888844888. Next, there are some job openings available for teachers for a reputed English medium high school in Hanmakonda. So they are hiring for teachers to teach 6th class to 10th class students in English medium. So qualification will be well qualified and experienced candidates are eligible to apply for these positions. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9246986706. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.